XELA is looking good for a nice little short here, guys. 477s. Your risk is about only 10 cents. 477s. XELA. Right, I'm gonna try on this, guys. 480s, 479s is fine. 479s, I'll take that. 479, guys. I'm short XELA 479 with the 10 cents risk. So I'm just keeping the risk on really tight on it, because it could bounce few times, even up to 5 before it makes its way down. So I just don't want to get caught in that bounce. So I'd rather take few small losers than to actually have a really big stop and get taken out that way. 88s, 89s, I'll be out on it, guys. 89s, I'll be out. There you go. 89s, I'm out. So 80s, 89s, 10 cents on this, guys. Not a huge deal. As I said, guys, with XELA, I don't mind trying quite a few times and getting stopped out by 10 cents, because when it's going to run, we will be looking like $50 to $1 run on it. So the next level was this area actually here, to start looking for shorts. Short 497s on this bar, and stop is very tight, guys. Just 505s, extremely tight stop. Now with this one, this is only a mental stop, guys. I want to make sure that it doesn't close above that level there, my stop. So if it does wick back up and then comes back down, I won't be stopped out, guys. So I'm keeping a close eye on this. So short 497 with a mental stop of 505s. There we go, our XELA, guys. Yes, let's go, XELA. Let's go. Finally, we caught that, guys. We want that 470s to break now. Come on, XELA. Let's break 470s so we can get our partial. I mean, right now, guys, it's done 2 to 1, by the way, if you want to take some partial here. But I'm watching the level 2 nicely. There we go. I'm waiting for some to take out, guys, now. 468. Right. 468. Come on. Yep. 465s. Go. 466. Okay, I'm gonna take some out. 466. I've taken some out. 466, guys. First partial out on the break of the recent low. As I was mentioning, I need that low to get broken. So here with 466 is... Yep, there we go, guys. Our XELA trade is running. This is exactly what I was looking for, and looking really nice. Now we can put our stop here, guys. Still a bit early, I would say, but still a safer option, guys. I'm gonna put my stop just over 475. I'm gonna trying to take some out, guys. 450s. I'm watching the level 2. 449s. It looks weak. I'm gonna wait for it. 448s. A lot of sellers. There you go. It's gotten taken out. So it's weak, guys. 447s. 440s. Oh, it's very weak. Very weak. 746s. I'm ready to take some out, guys. Anytime. You can take it out right now if you want, but I'm watching level 2 to take it out, guys. There you go. Okay, more weakness coming. More weakness. 445 is gonna get taken out. No, it didn't. I'm gonna take some out. 446, guys. 446. I've taken the second partial. Guys, so on this one, my plan basically is a 430s area. If it does come back to it, I'll take everything off instead of leaving a runner. So I'm planning to take everything off. Right, guys, I'm just gonna be a bit tight on my last runner because I have to leave. I'm gonna leave my stop, bring the stop down to 455. So my stop is on 455 on my platform, and if it does come back and take me out, I'm fine. Exela, I'm out, guys, by the way. Exela, I'm out on the third partial. Actually, looking back, it was a really good place for a trailing stop. There you go, guys. These are the type of trades I really like to see, and most of my trades are actually it looks something like this. So I'm risking 1 to get 5. Right? Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And any questions? I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. But if you do have any questions, if you have watched the video, please leave your like and subscribe. Per usual, everybody says that. But yeah, but for me, importantly, join in the live room, guys, live stream, and get involved, guys. Once you start to get involved, you'll start to understand how I trade, and I would also like to know how you guys trade as well. So I'll be looking forward to seeing your comments on the video as well as seeing you in the live room, guys. Take it easy. Have a good one.